Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Security Plus FCU. Love what they have to offer. They have a $50 checking account bonus, plus what's probably a lot more profitable is $2,000 in credit card funding. I've been receiving a lot of emails about different funding avenues since Blue Peak has disappeared off the face of the earth in regards to credit card funding. So here is a viable solution, and this is a nationwide offer. So love sharing about the nationwide offers. Before I jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am a customer of Security Plus. I'm not affiliated or endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. The information in this video is current as of time of recording. Use this information is at your own risk. This is called fishing and not catching, and as is everything in life, your mileage may vary. So shout out to friend of the channel, Josh. He sent me this email, as have a lot of other people. Hey John, I'm looking for other banks that offer consistent credit card funding outside of Blue Peak. Do you know of any? So Blue Peak, if you didn't know, they used to offer $1,500 in credit card funding, and then they, for whatever reason, they boosted that up to $5,000, and then they nerfed it back down to zero for me, because a lot of people were using them for credit card funding. They received velocity notices, and so the only way you can fund credit CDs now is through ACH transfer, and that's not so much. So brand new year, quick review. What's going on? Why do people get paid? Well, people get paid to solve problems. If you solve little problems, you're going to make little money. If you solve bigger problems, you're going to make bigger money. What problems do banks have? Well, they need new customers. Are definitely willing to pay nicely to get them. This is a very profitable video, so hope you pay attention to the end. I do have a $5 million goal for the year 2025. I want to see at least 1,000 people make at least $5,000 from these videos near 2025. So if you can appreciate profitable content, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Appreciate that. So one quick plug, John wants you to get a $300 bonus with the SoFi personal loan. Basically, SoFi is just giving away money for you to get a loan, pay almost all of it back really quickly, so you don't pay hardly anything in interest, maybe $10. I did all the math in this video, so, and they pay out really quick. So if you're interested in scoring 300 bucks off of SoFi, there's a link to the video right there. All right, so Security Plus, if you've never heard of them, they have an A+ with the BBB. They're located in Maryland. Some people may say, oh, BBB doesn't matter much for anything. That's fine. A couple of useful information bits on here. They've been around in business for 85 years, and they don't have many complaints. So the main thing I don't look at is the A+. It's more of how many customer complaints, because if you look at a bank or whatever, a business that has a lot of customers, not many complain. Most people have good experiences. They don't say, hey, they're doing awesome. Well, it's mainly people who complain. They raise an issue with BBB. So only thing I ask is, if you profit from this content, please use my referral links. One hand washes the other in this fun, profitable game. So Security Plus, they are available nationwide. As I mentioned, they are checks friendly. They do pull checks. They won't approve you without having your checks unfrozen. Talk about that in a minute. They do offer $2,000 in credit card funding per account on a consistent basis. There's no, excuse me, no expiration listed on this. So is there a way to profit off the $2,000 in credit card funding per account, and what does that mean? Well, here's what you can look at here. Chase Ink are some of the most profitable cards out there in existence. If you get the Ink Premier card, you got a $1,000 bonus for spending $10,000. The Ink Unlimited card is $750 bonus after spending $6,000. Ink Cash, $750 bonus after spending $6,000. And Ink Preferred is 90,000 points, which is the same as $900. Or you got a 25% boost for spending that on travel. So you can make a lot of money. So $750 after spending $6,000, that's funding 3 accounts rather easily. So if you're interested in taking advantage of the Chase Ink cards, here's a referral link. Definitely appreciate it if you use that. QR code, link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So how exactly does credit card funding work? So I applied for a $2,000 certificate for 3 months. And here's what it looks like on my Chase account. So January 8th, 2025, Security Plus Federal Cred, my account number, and $2,000. If you click on the arrow, here's what it looks like. Transaction details. $2,000 posted as a sale and not as a cash advance. So January 8th, 2025, very recent, about as recent of a data point as you can get in regards to that. What really impressed me was, some of the best source of data points for opening up new accounts is emails. And they sent me an email, say, hey, check out our certificate rates. I was like, wow, 4.5% APY for 3-month CDs. Well, that's really impressive. If you use a card like the Ink Premier card, which gives you 2% back, so if you hit that 4 times a year, that's 8% plus 4.5%. That's 12.5% that they're paying you for opening up these accounts. That's really impressive. So I froze my checks, and because I'm looking to get into BMO Harris for a $500 bonus, and I don't like stuff just popping up on my checks. And they said, "Dear John, thank you for for applying for credit union. Let's see. Unfortunately, we're unable to proceed with the application due to a freeze alert on your check system report. So basically, you have to remove the freeze. If you have any further questions, contact them. So they will not open up new accounts if your checks is frozen. They do have, as I mentioned, a $50 referral, and I love getting $50 emails. This is not as good as what they had last year, but hey, $2,000 in funding is still really nice, and the funding opportunities are kind of drying up, which is kind of sad. But I got this email from them last year, so when you sign up for them, use a referral link, you will get a $50 Amazon gift card. Last year I got the $100 one for signing up, but now it's got nerfed down to $50. So if you're curious what their sign-up bonus looks like, it is a emailed gift card to Amazon, which is nice. Why? Because everybody loves spending money at Amazon. So here's the referral link for Security Plus. So if you want to open up a new tab and type in share.securityplusfcu.org/churning adventures, that would be a real easy way to get this bonus. Or you can hit the QR code, link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So when you click on that, here's what you're going to see. Thanks to a friend, you can get a $50 Amazon gift card. Here's how you get it. Number 1, open up a Security Plus checking account. Number 2, sign up for digital banking, which is your online banking. And number 3, set up a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200 within 60 days. So the math on that, you send a $200 direct deposit, you get a $50 bonus, plus you get access to a whole bunch of credit card funding. One data point on, let me go back here. In regards to checks, and if you're tripping out on, hey, I don't want one check hit for every single time I open or apply for a account. Typically, if you apply for 2, 3, 4, 5 of the new accounts, they on the same day, they will combine those for one checks hit. So pro tip right there. And here we are. So once you get registered on there, once you fill in your email address and hit continue, then you want to go to securityplusfcu.org and then click open an account. So here's the application, and you want to hit, are you new to, so this is from last year, the application I went through. Click open an account, and you definitely want to do the checking account and then anything else you want to add to that, because you got to get the checking account in order to get the $50 bonus. So I chose the cashback checking. You can earn up to $300 per year on that, which is really nice. You can get up to $25 per month. You want the debit card, direct deposit option, because you need to direct deposit $200. If you're one of those blessed people where you can take one check and just like split it to multiple different places, then this is an ideal situation for you. So you can, if you want to do a CD on top of that, money market account, additional services. And then, where are we at? So as I mentioned, the share certificate rates are very impressive. So that's some of the best ones I have seen. So you want to enter your mobile number, last four social security number. Where else are we doing here? They're going to say check your phone for, they send you a thing, and then you put in your information, mother's maiden name, current employer, promo code. There's no promo code for this. It's just a referral code, which you already put in for in regards to the original referral link. And then membership eligibility. Here is what makes it nationwide is I am a member of the American Consumer Council, and they asked for proof from me, so I will show you how to get that. Confirm account selections. I did share savings, money market, and a cashback. So typically if you spend money on a card, you put in a checking account, you can take it out fairly quickly. Don't take it out too quickly on account of sometimes they do call you out on it. They ask you identity verification questions. Some of the funniest identity verification questions I've received is like, in which year did you open up a new check or new credit card with Chase? 2024, 23, 22, or 21? Well, I'm good if I pick any of those. So, additional stuff. They asked me to upload secondary identification, so I uploaded a picture of my driver's license and a current utility bill. So share savings, $5. That's a mandatory thing that you put in to become a part owner of the credit union. If you ever choose to leave, then you get that back. Money market savings, $1,500. Cashback checking, $495. So I was able to do $2,000 in account funding. Choose your funding method. They do take Amex as well. So there's that. So debit or credit card. Put in your card numbers. And so if you're curious who takes Amex, Security Plus does. Thank you for application. A representative will reach out to you within 1 business day of completing the membership application process. So 3 days later, I was asked to upload my ACC certificate right here. You can read that. And shout out to friend of the channel, Jeffrey. How to get a ACC certificate instantly. You go to americanconsumercouncil.org/join-now. Fill out the bare minimum of info. Use promo code service or consumer, sponsored by credit unions. Should be free. I got the certificate sent to me like instantly. So I sent that straight out to them and I got approved. So welcome message, membership certificate from the American Consumer Council. I applied on 11/17 of 2023, was approved 11/25, received the $100 Amazon gift card 1/31/2024. So that's fairly reasonable turnaround for getting a bonus. So hey, dear John, welcome to Security Plus. We're so glad that you've joined our family. Our team is looking forward to serving you and helping you meet your financial goals. Well, thank you. So as I mentioned, this is a referral-only offer. Link to this offer is right here. QR code, link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. Bank account one essential verdict. Security Plus offers everything you can want in a credit union. Nationwide availability, $50 sign-up bonus, no direct deposit requirement, $2,000 in credit card funding per account, and a cashback debit card. Join me at Security Plus FCU. Take advantage of this. I still do have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, email me, churningadventures@gmail.com. I will get back to you rather quickly. So today's question, how should we look at our lives? So there's a friend of the family where my wife used to work, and I decided to look him up. Haven't heard anything about him for a while. And first thing that popped up was Obit. I was like, wow. So he wasn't that old either. It's really sobering to see people who you've known, you've worked with, and stuff like that, where they're not even much older than you, and you see their Obit. I was like, wow. Ecclesiastes 7:2 says, better to spend your time at funerals than at parties. After all, everyone dies, so living should take this to heart. I mean, that's, wow. Psalm 90:12, Teach us how to realize the brevity of life so that we may grow in wisdom. So, nobody lives forever, and sadly, some people die before you think that they should. Additional information on how to follow Jesus. You want to make sure you're right with God. How can I be saved? Information in the description box from Got Questions if you're interested. Still here with me? Definitely appreciate it. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who'd be able to benefit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you could take advantage of profitable opportunities. With that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.